Active Kids channel.
Hang up.
Hang up.
After talking to Grandma, I hang up the phone.
After talking to Grandma, I hang up the phone.
Put away.
Put away.
It's time to put away our clothes in the closet.
It's time to put away our clothes in the closet.
Go out.
Go out.
We go out for ice cream on Saturdays.
We go out for ice cream on Saturdays.
Come in.
Come in.
Please knock before you come in.
Please knock before you come in.
Get in.
Get in.
It's raining, so get in the car quickly.
It's raining, so get in the car quickly.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Let's sit down and have lunch together.
Let's sit down and have lunch together.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Everyone stands up for the national anthem.
Everyone stands up for the national anthem.
Clean off.
Clean off.
I clean off my desk before starting homework.
I clean off my desk before starting homework.
Take out.
Take out.
Mom takes out ingredients to bake cookies.
Mom takes out ingredients to bake cookies.
Put in.
Put in.
I put in my earphones to listen to music.
I put in my earphones to listen to music.
Give back.
Give back.
I give back the book to the librarian.
I give back the book to the librarian.
Put up.
Put up.
Dad helps me put up my artwork on the wall.
Dad helps me put up my artwork on the wall.
Call back.
Call back.
I will call you back after I finish my chores.
I will call you back after I finish my chores.
Hang out.
Hang out.
Friends often hang out at the park.
Friends often hang out at the park.
Break up.
Break up.
I break up the cookies to share with everyone.
I break up the cookies to share with everyone.
Try on.
Try on.
I try on different hats at the store.
I try on different hats at the store.
Put off.
Put off.
Don't put off doing your homework until later.
Don't put off doing your homework until later.
Take care of.
Take care of.
We take care of our pets by feeding them.
We take care of our pets by feeding them.
Run into.
Run into.
I run into my friend at the grocery store.
I run into my friend at the grocery store.
Give up.
Give up.
Don't give up when things get tough.
Don't give up when things get tough.
Look up.
Look up.
I look up new words in the dictionary.
I look up new words in the dictionary.
Turn down.
Turn down.
Please turn down the volume of the music.
Please turn down the volume of the music.
Go through.
Go through.
We go through old photos together.
We go through old photos together.
Show off.
Show off.
I like to show off my artwork to everyone.
I like to show off my artwork to everyone. Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.